I can see the energy. Hi, Cloud
Hello,
7.
hello.
Can you guys introduce yourself again?
Take you higher, we are
Cloud 7! Kumusta po kayo?
Hi everyone, I'm C7 Lucas.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 Cairo.
Hello po, I'm C7 Yon.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 Mix.
Hello everyone, I'm C7 PJ. Hello everyone, my name is C7 Fian.
It's nice to meet you po!
Grabe, hello Cloud7. Kayo naman, bakit Cloud7 ang inyong group name?
Well, inspired po kami kasi from the clouds po. Whenever you're in the clouds, nararamdaman po natin fresh feeling, yung magaan lang po sa loob. And very happy lang po. And yun po yung gusto namin maramdaman ng mga tao every time they see us perform. So, yes po.
Wow, grabe, that's so intimate. Dahil pag nakita
Yes.
ninyo nga, napaka-cloudy ng ating weather today.
When I hear of Cloud 7, naaalala ko is morning. Kasi
Tama.
nga, cloud. Pero grabe yung grabe yung energy nyo. Very youthful, very vibrant. Can you guys promote your social medias para alam namin where we can follow you?
Yes,
check on your
everyone.
updates.
Okay, yeah. Gusto lang po sana namin i-promote ang aming social media account. Just type Cloud7PH on all social media platforms.
Don't forget, don't forget to stream our latest single na iperperform rin po namin ngayon na Bara Bara on YouTube and on Spotify.
Wow! So later on, makikita pa namin kayo mag-perform.
Yes po, this May.
Ngayon na. Okay, sige guys, huwag na natin patagalin pa, no? Para makita natin ang kanilang next performance. Partner, Kanisha, are we ready?
Yes. Let's give them another round of applause for round 7.
Woo!